Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to upload photos and videos from your iPhone or iPad to your Google Drive. So first download the Google Drive app from the App Store and sign in. After you sign in, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. To upload any photos or videos, go to upload, and to upload files go to browse, and to upload photos and videos go to photos and videos. And you have to give access to all your photos and go to recent and choose the photo you want to save. So I'm just gonna choose these four and go to upload. Processing uploads, and the time depends on how large the clip is. All pending uploads have been completed. To find all the uploaded videos and files, go to Files and My Drive. So at My Drive, you will find all the uploaded photos and videos. That's it. I hope you found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.